You don't lack time. You lack a system. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overwhelmed. This fixes that. You sit down to study. Books open. Phone nearby. 5 minutes later, scrolling. Hours pass. Guilt grows. Confidence drops. You promise. Tomorrow, I'll focus. Tomorrow comes. Same story. It's not laziness. It's mental overload. Your brain is like a battery. Drain it too long. It shuts down. Focus isn't infinite. Willpower isn't magic. The brain loves clear starts and clear ends. That's why Pomodoro works. It turns chaos into checkpoints. First, choose one task. Not 5. Not everything. One rung on the ladder. Then remove friction. Phone away. Notifications off. You're not escaping life. You're entering focus. Set a timer. 25 minutes. This is your engine. Short. Safe. Non-scary. Tell your brain, I only need to focus. For this long. No multitasking. No perfection. Just progress. Timer ends. You stop. Stand up. Stretch. Breathe. No scrolling. No dopamine traps. This break refuels the battery. It protects your focus muscle. One Pomodoro done. That's a win. Do it again. Then again. After 4 rounds. Take a long break. You didn't force productivity. You built it. Each Pomodoro is currency. More Pomodoros equals more progress. Mark them down. See your effort grow. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Some days you'll do 8. Some days only 2. Both count. Consistency beats intensity. Always. Stop waiting for motivation. Build systems instead. Small focus beats big intention. Every single time. You don't need superpower discipline. You need a timer. And trust in the process. One Pomodoro today is one step closer to the life you want. Start now. Set the timer. Finish one Pomodoro. Comment, tomato done, when you finish. Subscribe for focus systems. Your future self is watching.